Gemini CLI promises to bring ChatGPT-style power straight to your terminal. No browser, no distractions. But is it actually worth using? Now, Gemini CLI is Google's official command line interface for Gemini, their AI assistant, if you will. You run it in your terminal just like you would a Python, Git, or any dev tool. It's built for developers, researchers, and power users who want to interact with Gemini directly without touching the web UI. You can ask it to write or debug code, explain concepts, generate content, or run structured prompts all in line. It also supports function calling, JSON mode, and lets you plug in project files to give Gemini real context about your codebase. It's fast, lightweight, works with both free and pro Gemini accounts, and unlike the browser version, you don't need to actually switch tabs or copy-paste between tools. It lives inside your workflow. It's perfect for devs who want to integrate AI into their terminal-first environment. No fluff, no UI lag, just raw input and output. You can chain it into scripts, pipe output to files, or use it inside tools like tmux or VS Code terminals. It also supports model switching, and you can fine-tune context length depending on the task. There's no real memory between prompts, and no GUI helpers like chat history, formatting, or markdown previews. You're flying blind unless you build that context into your queries. Also, it's not ideal for visual workflows or non-dev users. It's strictly text in, text out. And while setup is simple, it requires basic CLI comfort. So if you already live in the terminal, Gemini CLI is a slick, distraction-free way to bring AI into your daily workflow. But if you're more visual or need chat history and formatting, you're better off sticking with the browser. Did you try it yet? Let me know how it worked for you. If you want a side-by-side demo with ChatGPT CLI, just drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next video.